study. In first part, we learned 6 letters. So in this video, we'll also talk about next group, second group, and we'll also know that which letters come in second group and which letter consists in group number 2. So many people ask the question that what is the advantage of writing like in cursive letters. So I would like to give you here some points. If your kid has started writing cursive letters, then it can be so much helpful and useful for him or her, because if he has started, then it can improve his or her writing skill, and also it can help them to get good marks, good grade in the exam and any test, and also they will be able to know that how can write cursive letters. It will improve their reading skill, their writing skill, and also you will be surprised कि mental growth इससे कैसे हो सकता है. तो जब भी हम cursive letters को लिखने के लिए सिखाते हैं तो बच्चे की माइंड में जो क्रिएटिविटी होती है वो उत्पन्न होती है कि किस टाइप से हमें लेटर्स को घुमाना है, किस टाइप से कैसे घुमाना है. तो ऐसे में माइंड शार्पन होता है, साथ साथ उनकी जो मेंटल एक्सरसाइज होती है वो भी होती है. तो देयर आर सो much advantage of writing in cursive letters, and nowadays it is very common to all the schools. अभी के टाइम में सारे schools ने ये कंपल्सरी कर दिया है कि kids को cursive letter में लिखना ही लिखना है. So these were some advantages of cursive writing letters. So now let's start the video and let's see which letters comes in second group. So in this part we will learn about group number 2. So let's see which letters consist in this group number 2. So hoping you all are doing practice very well of all the letters whatever we have learned previously, and also whatever we are going to learn today, you will also do practice of that very well, because as much you will do practice, you will come to know properly all the things. Okay, so don't forget to do practice of each and every letter many times. If you will do practice many times, that time you will be able to know every letters properly, and every concept of all the letters will be clear to you. So capital cursive letters, and now it will be group number 2. In last group we have discussed many letters in group number 1, that was C, Q, O, E, L and G. Okay, so this will be the second group. Okay, so let's start which letter comes first in this group. So in first letter come that's name is F. Okay, this is capital F. After that next letter comes, that's name is G. You will see here that all the letters are a little bit similar to each other. It means their patterns are quite similar, so that's why we have included all the letters in this group. After that next letter comes, that's name is D. Okay, next letter, that's name is H. Next letters come, that's name is M, and after that there will be N. Okay, so this is about group number 2. In this group you will learn F, T, D, H, M and N. Let's see how can we write all these letters one by one. So first of all, we know how to write this F. We'll do practice one by one of each letters. Okay, like that. For making F, we need to start from little bit down of first red line. After that we'll go and turn by back side, and we'll come to the third line by making one curve like that. Okay, and from the middle section of this curve we'll make one slipping line. Okay, now let's see how can we make this T. It is quite similar to F, because in F we will not in T we will not give any slipping line like that. So let's see, again we'll start from this part, we'll go to the first red line, we'll come to the third blue line, and yeah, this is our G. Okay, now let's see how can we write D. First we'll make one standing type line, then we'll turn and make a circle, we'll make a curve, and then go by back side and do like that. Okay, let's see H. H is also very much simple. Let's see M. For making M, you have to make some steps like zigzag. Okay, and N will be like that. Now let's do practice of each letters one by one. As I told you, as much you will do practice, you will get to know all the things properly. So in cursive letter, yeah, in any letter, in anything you need to practice. Do practice many times. Okay, so we'll do practice of this F many times, like 4 to 5 times, as much as you can do, you have to do. Okay, now let's see T. You have to see all the steps properly, then you will be able to know. You will not write any letter like that, then it should be downside of this blue line. It can be wrong. Okay, let's see. You have to be careful, then always you write between first to third line. If it will be go upper section of this red line and lower section of this blue line, then it can be wrong. Okay. Okay, so next letter is D. D is a little bit difficult, so you have to see here carefully. First, you have to start from this red first line. After that, you make one standing line, and from the ending point of this standing line, we'll go backwards and make a circle. After that, we'll make one curve like that, and we'll join to the first point of this standing line, and from back side, we will make one tail. Let's see. You can do practice many times of this D, because all the things required practice. Okay, so this is our D. Let's see next letter, that's name is H. We have to make H from a little bit down section of this first line. We'll move forward, we'll go to the third line. By third line, we'll make a little bit curve like that, and again we'll make one standing line in front of this, and from this section we'll make one circle like that. We'll do practice of H many times also, like many other letters. So after that, next letter, that's name is M. Let's see how can we write M. So for writing M, we will start from little bit upper part of this third line. You have to make some zigzag type shape. Again, you see. Okay, so all the M should be like that, and you have to make M like that. Okay, so after that, there is one more and last letter consist in this group, that name is N. So N is always similar to, not exact similar, it is quite similar to M. So let's see how can we write N. So we'll start from third line like M. We'll go to the first line, come and again go. Okay, let's see. What is this? This is N. So you have to do practice of N many times. Okay. Let's do a quick revision of all the letters which was consisting in that group number 2. So first letter that was consisting in group number 2, that is F. Okay. Next letter that is consisting in group number 2, that's name is T. Okay. After that there is G. Then there is H. Last two letters are first M and then N. Okay, so you have to do practice of all these letters many times. F, T, D, H, M, and last one, that name is N. Okay. So till now we learned 2 groups of capital cursive letters. So we'll try to make every day a new group. Then you'll be able to know complete alphabet till A to Z. So for that you need to subscribe our channel, also play School Kusum Bihan, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Then you can get all the notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here.